Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Esquire Middle East. As you can see, I really badly need a haircut, which is why I've come down to Chaps Co to get it done.
Hello everyone, my name is Jads. I work at Chaps Co and I'm a barber. Many people, when they do come to get a haircut, they generally see what the fashion is, and nowadays with it being so short they just show a picture and want for that. But I think what you have to do is depends on your job, your hair type and your face shape. It's more to just a style that you see on Instagram. So there's many factors, but obviously we will always advise you on what would suit you and your lifestyle as well. At Chaps Co you'll get consistency and then you'll get a haircut that suits you, and it'll be a quality experience as well every time you come, no matter what. Because sometimes, yeah, you might walk into somewhere and it might be a good haircut one time, but then all the other times it won't be so good, so you'll end up paying double the price for a haircut because you'll have to come to somewhere like Chaps Co to fix it for you, which has happened many times. So.
Thank you. So how does it look? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to hit subscribe. We've got more pro grooming tips for you in the upcoming weeks.